Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable voice access in Windows 11. Voice access is a powerful built-in feature that lets you control your entire PC using only your voice. You can open apps, switch windows, scroll pages, click buttons, and even type text, all without using your keyboard or mouse. So let's get started. First click on the start button, then click settings. Under settings, you need to select accessibility in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and under intersection, click on speech. Here you will find voice access. Enable this one toggle switch. Now select your language in which you want to speak and then click on the agree and continue button. This will download that particular language speech on your Windows 11 PC. Once the language pack is downloaded, you need to connect the microphone to your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on the continue button. Now click on the done button. Now your voice access is active. You can enable options such as start voice access before you sign into your PC, and you can also enable here a start voice access after you sign into your PC. After that, you can close this one settings app. Now once this one voice access is enabled, you will see a small voice access bar at the top of your screen. Now your PC is ready to take voice commands. You can say commands like open settings, open file explorer, click a start, scroll down, switch to Chrome, type hello. You need to click on this one icon. After that, you can say this. Now you can control Windows 11 completely hands-free. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.